If your car could talk, it would beg for help long before it breaks down. The problem is most drivers miss the warning signs. Then one day, they're stuck on the side of the road with a massive repair bill. Cars rarely fail without giving clues first. In this video, I'm showing you 10 warning signs that your car may be heading toward a serious breakdown and what these symptoms are trying to tell you. Number 1 is a check engine light that stays on. I know a lot of people ignore this light because the car still drives. I've seen it countless times. That little light can mean anything from a bad sensor to engine misfires, fuel problems, or catalytic converter damage. If it's flashing instead of staying solid, that's even worse. A flashing check engine light means the problem is severe and can quickly destroy expensive parts. Number 2 is strange noises. Cars shouldn't suddenly start making new sounds. A knocking noise from the engine can mean poor lubrication or internal damage. Squealing may point to worn belts. Grinding noises can indicate failing brakes or wheel bearings. The reason noises matter is simple. Metal parts are rubbing, vibrating, or wearing in ways they shouldn't. Number 3 is smoke from the exhaust. White smoke that doesn't go away may indicate coolant entering the engine. Blue smoke usually means the engine is burning oil. Thick black smoke often points to a fuel problem. Smoke is basically your engine's distress signal. Something is getting into the combustion chamber that doesn't belong there. Number 4 is overheating. Your temperature gauge should stay in its normal range. If it starts climbing, don't keep driving. Overheating can warp cylinder heads, destroy head gaskets, and cause severe engine damage. Sometimes it's just low coolant or a bad thermostat, but if you ignore it, the repair bill can get ugly very fast. Number 5 is leaking fluids. Cars use different fluids to survive. Engine oil lubricates parts. Coolant controls temperature. Transmission fluid allows smooth gear changes. If you see puddles under your vehicle, don't assume it's harmless. A small leak today can turn into a complete system failure tomorrow. Number 6 is hard starting or frequent stalling. If your car struggles to start, cranks longer than normal, or dies unexpectedly, pay attention. The issue could be the battery, fuel system, ignition components, or even sensors that control the engine. Stalling isn't just annoying. It can also be dangerous if it happens in traffic. Number 7 is rough shifting or transmission problems. Delayed shifts, jerking between gears, slipping, or strange noises from the transmission should never be ignored. The transmission is one of the most expensive components in your vehicle. Small symptoms often appear long before total failure. Catching problems early can save thousands of dollars. Number 8 is excessive vibration or shaking. A steering wheel that shakes, a vibrating seat, or unusual movement while driving usually means something is wrong. The causes range from unbalanced tires and worn suspension parts to engine misfires and drivetrain problems. Vibrations are your car's way of telling you that parts are no longer working together smoothly. Number 9 is poor braking performance. If the brake pedal feels soft, you hear grinding, or the car pulls while braking, don't wait. Brakes are your primary safety system. Worn pads, damaged rotors, leaking brake fluid, or failing components can quickly become an emergency situation. Number 10 is a sudden drop in fuel economy. Most drivers know their car's normal fuel consumption. If you're suddenly stopping at the gas station more often, something is changing. Engine sensors, fuel injectors, ignition issues, tire problems, and even dragging brakes can all make your engine work harder and consume more fuel. So how do you catch these problems before they become major failures? Start by paying attention to your car every time you drive. Listen for new sounds. Look at your dashboard lights. Check under the vehicle for leaks. Monitor engine temperature and fuel economy. Spend a few minutes every month checking fluid levels, tire condition, and battery connections. If something changes suddenly, don't ignore it and hope it goes away. Cars almost always give warnings before they fail. By the way, check the description box because I've added Amazon links for the best deals on tools you need for DIY car maintenance. If you've ever experienced any of these warning signs, drop a comment below and tell me what happened. And if you want more practical tips that help you keep your car running longer, Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.